Okay, so this is a few days after I did the last repair, and it's kind of late in the evening, so I'm going to wear some stuff here. I don't want to get stung. I don't know what that was, but okay, guys, look out. That's pure honey. Put this on the video. You can see this is just honeycomb. Look at that. All the way around, nice, and it weighs about 3 pounds. Pretty heavy. Real heavy. So that's not the one we want to look at. Oh, there's the one I want to check out right there. We're going to look at it. Oh, calm down. Sorry about that. So this is the one that I did the repair on the other day. Really not looking. Oh yeah, they're sticking it all on the bottom now. So you can see where they've stuck it all to the bottom. It's really solid now, and they're all filling it up. I don't see. Oh no. Yeah, it's nice, nice little piece. Looks like. Huh. Anyway, get out of here before you get stung, you dumbass dog. My dogs like to be involved with my bees, and they periodically get to find out why dogs and bees don't get along so good. So this is a monster comb. My God, this thing weighs 10 pounds at least. Ah, crud. Holy crap. Now, this is a good example of double combing. I don't know if you could see, but there's double comb. They're inside the comb there. You can see down inside. And you can see here, it's all double combed. So this was a frame start off of a nuke. And you can see the frame there, and you can see no frame on this side. And you can see this is all filled. Looking really good. They've done a really good job with this one. So this is a really good one here. I actually want to do something different. I'm going to take one of the frames out, and I'm going to transplant it back to the back of the hive a little. I'm going to trade two of them, this one and one up front, and see if I can make them start making more bars in the back full. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens here. What's this one look like? Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, I'm going to move this one to the... Oh, what's this on? Let's look at this. Yeah, we're going to move this one to the back. Back here a little. We're doing this. It just moves the hive around a little bit. And hopefully they'll want to do more stuff to the ones that are empty in the middle. This is kind of my experimenting hive here. I'm always taking it apart and playing with the bees. And my dogs, I don't know if you can see them, but they're right underneath me all the time. They're little turds. They want to be involved. And man, if I ever drop one of these combs, they're not going to be very happy. And there you go. You can see this is all brood. Real happy brood comb. The next one is the same. I'm going to move up one more up here and look at this one real quick. Man, this is heavy shit. Bee, get out of here. Go. There you go. There's a top bar brood comb. Look at that one. You can see the shape. It's round. It's real nice, real happy. A lot of bees. A lot of bees. And that's what we want in the beehive is bees. So I think that'll work. And there it is, Jerry's Top Bar Beehives. Visit anytime.